Hey, it's Culper, and I have LockPickingKid's first challenge lock here. Let's see. He named it the Riddler. This is by LockPickingKid. First challenge lock on the 10th. I'm sorry, the October 18th, 2019. One key with it. There's no back plate or anything like that, so I just hope people pass that along. Be very careful because that thing could just come out right now if I wanted, or when this goes in. Anyway, key works perfect both ways. Gotta be careful taking out that key because it's not screwed in on the back. And since I am his father, or his daddy, whatever you want to call it, I wanted to be the one first to pick it. So, and I want to confirm it for him so he can get his blue belt. I did make him a deal. If he got his blue belt picked, then we would make that challenge lock right away, and he was pretty enthusiastic about it. So hopefully we can get this done for him today. Hopefully I can be the first person to pick it. Hopefully I can pick it. Let's see here. I don't know what we're going to use. Hey, lockpicking kid, you still got my heavy tension bar. You still have my heavy tension tool. Go get it.
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Sorry, I should size one up earlier. Alright. That's the heavy won't fit. So 50,000, so we're going to this bad boy. Actually, you might want to go bottom of the keyway. Thank you, sir. I said thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Okay. There we go. Let's pick his challenge lock. Let's see what he did. I think on 1. I gotta click out 2. Little one at 3. I think it was 5. Three. 4. Oh, we're getting counter there, I think. No, that may have been. No, that was just my pick. Bent my pick. Let's see here. I got 2 there. 3. I think we're in a false set. Maybe. Let's get out our low HD. That was counter. Hey, it was pretty cool. Lockpicking kid, I got it.
Huh?
I picked your lock.
Huh?
Yeah, it's awesome. Alright, so we got it open. Let's go ahead and gut it for you. Show that everything's inside. Let's close it back up here. Let's turn that off. Okay, so we need a follower. Key still works perfect. This one maybe? Yeah, that should do. Okay. All the key pin is there. They're unmodified. The only thing that is modified in this are the driver pins. Oop, that went the wrong way, didn't I? Proud moment to be a father, for sure. We tried a few hobbies together, but nothing really ever stuck. And he's taken off with this lock picking stuff, so very proud of him. There are your springs, all standard. Let me see here. So that was. Yeah. And 5, there we go. Alright. So there we go, the Riddler by Lockpicking Kid. A yellow lock. Whatever. There you go. It's pretty good for a 7-year-old. I've seen worse, trust me. Like my very first challenge lock was awful. I just hand dremeled it. I didn't know how to use the vise and all that good stuff, or a hacksaw blade. That's excellent. He did a good job. He even did that. This is still pretty good for a Dremel LPK for Lockpicking Kid. It's like I think it's a Y1 keyway, L1 keyway. I'm not sure what they call that. But yeah, no other modifications besides those driver pins, like I said. That's that. Thanks for watching, and keep doing a good job, Lockpicking Kid.